yes. What you got to know?
Babe, who lives the longest will see the most. So as soon as I have this baby, I am going to get ready to work and set up myself.
What? You remember the last time you told me say one of work? What you say I'm clear? Splinter get up in you.
Splinter? Please, Splinter, you call it. But Splinter is a small thing. But that is the thing there. It was a hell of a piece of wood. That nearly killed me. See that? It'll leave me up for 9 months. And because me go to a sanatorium. And that is why my people let me be here.
How are you? Belong to Mucha.
You know you're right. As my best friend, I know I can't trust you.
You man can't trust me, man. I want to tell me.
Shall I hear about this other man who have beer named Gus?
Hope your man?
Yes.
Then where you want your man for now?
You promise me not going to tell anybody?
Tell me your business, man. Cross me out and see me before I never tell a soul.
But I'm going to try about you know. And see if he can bring back right. And you when I find out the girl who right there with it, I'm going to catch her and broke her backside.
Broke her backside, me love. And when you find her central, I'm going to help you broke it too.
You know what this show, babe? Fix up some road, that soon come.
Alright. Hi. Where the place name you go again?
I say I'm going down to beer.
Alright, my sis, God go with you. Damn fool. I walk and look up here. I can't even buy baby clothes.
Run things about you, man. Yeah, man. Oh, it's not like a China thing when me are dealing with now. My thing, Chris, is a shame, man. Hey, then I don't have the bank. My little thing of working, so I know it go. Dollars have to run. But still, I'm not any kind of man can deal with them things. A guy definitely have a Chris like me. So I tell the one Shirley, she chop. But done with she, man. She lose the work, man. Make she go hold her cuff, man.
Hey, Mr. Man, where are you? Think you say left the girl, Shirley?
Backside in the nasty, yeah. Hey, the way I say my love, come kiss me now.
Damn liar.
Let's see what we can feel going so. Look how long tell us I'm left Shirley. And some things we left up here, them come pick up, you know. All right, what you do up here now?
Don't you know Shirley is my best friend?
Best friend? Hey, then I went back, Shirley, your best friend, she there now.
You sure you want to be with Shirley?
I don't really that I want fear, but I don't want she come up here, come catch me. So come sit in and tell me I love.
But don't forget live and direct.
Let it tune here, man. Hey, what a fear. You're shocked out now your necklace, you do. You're someone. You're dead lying. Everybody in your ears. How about this Shirley, your best friend, she gone?
She can't be a Obeah forget your back.
Gone away?
I'm being a McLaren and a Obeah forget your back.
Oh, your man forget me back.
Yes.
Why? Hey, fear. I know your granny baby days is your living, you know. You know, this is your modern times. You're not serious. Listen to the chuppiness. Come have like a China thing to carry out late. But me not to carry, I can't carry you, baby.
You didn't trust a lot of time.
I can't drink two juice, eat two roast fish, and you know. And they all of them things there.
I love fish, man. I love fish.
You know, you're licky. All right, now you're friend. I'm feeling there, you're toes. You know what? All you have to do now is just reach up on your gates, you hold her fresh, and you put on something extra sexy.
As you do, Joy.
I don't know if you're going to see this like a shop out tonight.
See.
All right, so later, you're...
Alright. Oi. I'm going to post me and I'm going to time do it, you know.
Me not post him, man, but you're going to wait long, though.
How you scream, man? The boy long and tall and short and beautiful and handsome and sexy. Well, you hear the girl Shirley talk about broke backside? Broke backside is a pity she don't know, say. I mean, the barn roughness of the face.
woman from afar, sit down, I soon come. Well, my good lady, what is your problem?
Well, Shepherd, I was along with this man named Roy Sweetness, you know. And Shepherd, I love him world without answer. But him bring me a runway. And Shepherd, I want you walk on him and bring him back so make him married to me.
I hope you have plenty money.
Even if I send my last draw, Shepherd, I will pay you.
It's now you're talking my language. I know I can help you.
How can I wonder? Science! Science again, science again. Hubakaba, hubakaba, science again, science again, science again. Hubakaba, science again. Them is me enemy, and I go like my friend. But till them the same thing, it can't work again. I tell it to me enemy, I tell it to me friend. How can I wonder? Science again, science again, science again. Hubakaba, hubakaba, science again, science again, science again. Hubakaba, hubakaba, science again. How entertainer, watch yourself. How
Before I
producer,
begin
watch
the work,
yourself.
I have to bind the spirit with some graveyard dust. All right. Lose me, brethren! I said, lose me now! Oh, yes! Woman! This is Isla come back! That's right! And this is Isla stay! Now it's time for the real. Yes! This is Isla wedding. Wedding! You wish to mix these isles together. With your kerchief. And pass it over in face. Now I have here a pack of tranquil powder. Use it make a bath. When you bathe, use the same water cooking food.
Science! Science again, science again. Hubakaba, hubakaba, science again, science again, science again. Hubakaba, hubakaba, science again. Them is me enemy, and I go like my friend. But till them the same thing, it can't work again. I tell it to me.
Let me hear you tell it. Let me hear you. Woman, I want you to listen carefully. You must eat this 7 pound of course out.
All of it?
That's right. But no drink, no water. All right. Because if you do, the work won't come true. I go seal it up for you. Seal it, Shepherd, seal it. I have something man love for wear in a yard for Sunday. Take it. It's a short. All right. I fix it up already. Make sure him wear it. Make sure. And they will stick to you like crazy glue.
But Shepherd, how will I see him? He has left me.
He left you? I will say Lucifer first. Lucifer! I will say Lucifer. Lucifer, come to the work. Oh. you to find dry sweetness and bring him here tonight at 6 o'clock. And you better do a feel, or else I turn you from ghost to dumpy. Now go. Na 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 na. Command right to return and stay with Shirley. Now, Miss Shirley, arise and be gone. I will see you 9 days' time.
Thank you, Shepherd Gussie. Thank you very much.
And Miss Shirley, remember to bring me money when you come.
Science again, hubakaba, hubakaba, science again, hubakaba, science again. Them is me enemy, and I go like my friend. But till them the same thing, it can't work again. I tell it to me enemy, I tell it to me friend. How can I wonder? Science again.
Well, Ragamuffin, come again.
You know the picture? You breathe me and run away. But you're so serious on the master. You're so serious.
Oh man, what's wrong with you? Me never step in the place with just in my skin like picture in a drunk from backside with you. In the picture, you breathe me in the mask, right? Listen, woman, you get this thing wrong, you know. I never did love you. It's you did love me. You said when I did come up today, you never locked that door. I'd have take my things and gone, I wouldn't see me again. So let's move out of the way and go. What did I realize I lose the work? Be done with you. You're mucked out.
It's all right. Whosoever will, me come. But you see him, right, Venus? He must come, you know. He must come. It's a pity him don't know what say. While him a plan, me Shirley a wipe out.
Why, I don't even know if I find all of my things, but I am left. And I hope I find another man soon. Here, only hope you find another man.
So, Roy, how you sweating to
Them not sweat.
Me wipe it.
How about that? Woman, what that?
It's a simple and kerchief.
Kerchief and it smells so. Hey, girl, you say you go out with some things, you know. Yeah, Annie Palmer was a sister, so never great man.
Roy, please don't, Roy, I love you.
Love me, but me don't love nobody.
But Roy, remember our baby?
Our baby, me look like me a breed to you, man.
Roy, you cannot walk out on me now.
At that speed, you know, sister, I run, me I run.
Roy, please don't leave me.
Me not leave you, me only a left.
Roy,
Roy, your backside, where?
Roy,
Roy, please.
Roy. I was showing you that I must have been back.
Wait, where you dope? I'm gonna tell you something. I come pick you up for carry out later.
Me gonna look at the girl Shirley come back here.
All right, no talk so loud. Here what? Now go put them things in my car. Here me prelude.
How long am I wait for me?
Try your best, me I wait.
Hey, girl Shirley, I come here for making us a Ryan my man now, you know. And me a begging to give him the jacket. As a matter of fact, left him out now.
You feel?
Don't call me near.
My best friend.
Please don't strike him friend.
You did this to me?
Yes, I was sleeping and sleeping until you have a picnic. But that's the thing, you know, that's not for just step on it.
You are wicked, TPS, a carnivore. You are nothing but a damn blasting man, thief.
But that's my surname.
So, now I know where I get all of this other talk from. It was from you.
Of course it's from me. You think I want to kill him off with your hubby and I don't know the sweetness on telling it?
So, I see you've decided to pick up the garbage of this poster.
You can't call my man rubbish girl, you rank.
Yes, you slut killer.
Wait, what run?
So you want me to make your girl kick me?
So wait. Is Skilly the one for kill my baby mother?
Watch me here, boy. Watch me here. I'm going to show you something, your back and belly rat, you.
Wait. The girl mouth smell like when crab a tea, they say.
You know what I'm going to smell me, no, Roy? Don't even try and touch me here.
Oh, me? Touch you? You're mad. You think why you gonna kick me down like I just kick down fear? Why Shirley you kick like a mule, you know?
Roy, how on earth could you? Don't you not face my best friend?
Me know that, babe, but me don't want fear. What me I do it fear? Fear just a little lick and run, you know. And like a one night stand. What me I do it that? Fear your friend, you never look at the girl fear face good yet. You know, sir, face here something with the storm blow from Africa. What them call it again? Yes, locust. Baby, what if you understand you have me, you know, me are the most important thing in your life.
Shirley, you kick me down after you walk up here and get back right.
Oh, yes. All is screwing about war. And you're going to find out that my thing is much worse than a rattlesnake.
Look, will you all come down to the station?
What for?
This woman made a report that you been around. And that is not the action of a lady.
Well, Mr. Sergeant, sir, when it comes down to losing my man, you are going to find out that I'm not devil.
Mr. Ryan, why the beef they heavy, man? Mr. Ryan, why may I tell you, man, you must be a general.
Hey, Dad.
Aye.
Me that general, yes.
Yeah, man.
But me no fight no idiot war. Me fight good war. Me am a private.
Hey, you miss. How the fight start between you two? Huh?
And the nasty girl that kick me and say me teeth for her, man.
What? She kick you and say you thief her, man. Kick her back, man.
No, all right. Wow.
Listen to me, sir.
Get out.
He's not saying what tired. His cheek come down here like a tired, beat out, butterfoot, sour, froze himself and come start the fight.
Oh, so if you come and you're retired, beat up, butterfoot, so I'm going I'm going to start the fight.
But you don't really have any sense, though? Eh? You don't really have any sense? Wait, what are them, man? Eh? You mean for tell me, say, the two of you a fight over one man? Eh? Eh? And one guy, coup on the man too. Eh? What?
Why don't you just send a girl with you? I make you leave me and my baby father in peace.
So if I take her, but you not read my mind. Wanga, 5 is a crowd. Come put us.
Then you get close this time.
You want that?
Don't be a coward. I know you're not a girl. I'm not going to with the policeman. Father, not good. When I get great, me and my got station go report it. Here, blue bag boy, I check for me before I go check out the keys.
What?
Are you shut up, you know?
Oh, me. She said blue. That's a you.
Girl, big body girl. I mean, can't want to go to your top. You say your mouth big and long. That girl a liar, you know. That girl a liar. He who knows not answer, he knows and knows he knows not. I'm a liar. Sarge, you don't remember?
No, I never see her before, man.
You don't remember, Sarge, man? You don't remember the night in Mayor Patrol? I would drive over the nightclub. I see you was the go-go dancer.
And she?
And so what?
Oh, yes, that's true.
And Sarge, he said, when she fling it so, and so what? You see, you're not going back. You don't know what you're going to do. But I'll make you that ear, you the whole night is aye. And then you post 6 to 5 days, and when she come back,
All right, man, shut up. You know something, man? I the worst thing for work with a little who overnight underprivileged blue bag boy with them forcing on the force, you know. You know something, boy? I go and sit with that soup transfer you straight to the Maypen Cemetery.
Sarge,
What?
you can't do that, Sarge.
Oh, you mean I can't do that?
You can't do that, man.
You want to bet me? Eh?
Then if you do that, if you can keep your secret and sell your powder.
What? Bang God, Mr. Fish shut off the blasted loudspeaker and go in that car, go listen to the caller come on the radio. Move it. Damn fool.
Hey, Sarge.
Eh?
Now that we get rid of the damn food, how we are going to solve this little problem, you know?
Oh, hey, you know how I see it? I think the best thing is for you to just stick to your baby mother, right?
Then a chair.
And I will just control up fear, man. Oh, baby.
It's a performance.
Hey, no. They're going to start to put everything under full control. We're going to let you know. Kind of know you got time about today on Monday day. So I'm going to check them boys. So catch you later here, darling.
Honey and Roy, so when you come back, I'm going to fix you some special chicken chassis soup.
She knows some love me, chassis, man. Sarge, just take charge of that.
Oh, yes, man. I will take charge of that, man. I will take charge. I will even give her a massage. Hey, you hear that though, eh? I say if you learn to cook my chicken chassis soup, like how she can cook fisherman own.
And I see him, you feel learn to read right and hard too.
But of course I can read right and hard. Wait, hey, if you think I can read right and hard, ask me for name the 3 counties now.
You name them, I'm so intelligent, name them.
All right, no problem. Cornmeal, mix it up and store it.
Store what?
What? Oh, you mean store what? Store it, man. Hey, Theo, you go on, so what? Oh, you show off, so what? Eh? Hey, what? Oh, you not come check me all this time, eh?
But because I see you can't tell every rock cleans them. For a 5-year VW tire flatten out after the last time.
Just fear not that, man.
How are then?
What are the effect from the bullet?
Well, get that bigger gun.
What? Sophia, you improve?
Rapidly.
Eh? What? So you have to bigger gun now? All right, I now play no ease up on you again, you know. You know why I go and give you now? I go and give you the cannon. Oh. So I can come check you later.
For what?
Now make you sit down on the cannon.
After the last time, again.
Chop on the last time.
Remember the whole heap of Chinese language you talk?
Chop on.
The inside town, she spent $5 million to forgive me now.
All right, forget that.
You know, the piece of tire mattress expose it 2 dozen cheap men.
I always so scandalous for you, man.
Yes, sir.
Eh? That's a long time business, you know, man. Them days there was a virgin, man.
So you are now?
I'm the Sarge now. I'm me in charge now, man. Hey, you hear me? Me I come off duty 10 o'clock tonight, you know. And me I come check you and carry you go show, right?
You and me go show.
How you mean?
I'm modern days now, you know.
Then that's why me I carry
Your
you.
pocket man, the top sport with.
Wait. So you disrespect the Sarge, eh? I wonder. Wait, hey, you think that somebody could overwork underpaid constable you talk about? Like Wanga got, eh? And the Sarge this. At 3 months now, me not even touch my paycheck. Just lodge it in the bank, man, and watch it. Watch my pocket. Full of collaterals, man. Watch that.
Yeah, man. You can't come, man. I mean, what you... We wash for you, cook for you, iron for you.
Sophia, tell me something. Me not frozy again.
No, you smell like taxi too.
Not true. All right.
What all is nice out here about? What all is nice that carousing out here about?
Wait. Who, man? You don't see these stripes. Respect them. You think it's false shit them on here?
You listen to me. I don't give a damn. It could even be a junk crow. Just make that leave me out like right now.
Up on the box.
Come on here, Flutter. I remember come pick me up later.
Oh, you favor them inverted pumpkin.
Egyptian she-goat. Who be working reptabate, rice sweetness mattress, you're done.
Leave my house.
She go, man.
Leave my house.
Come on, she favor iniquity. Hey, Fee, the girl Fiestina. Trace her, man.
Bicycle rim.
Trace.
You pedal gone. You're done. No more right, no left. Go ahead. Leave me done.
All right, Fee. You is my girl and it don't sound good. Come. Hey, Fee. The girl ranking up. Go, sir, man. Trace her.
You just tell me if I finish while I suffer. All this damn disturbance. Lord, that must be Roy. Roy, darling, I miss you so much when you're away.
Why you miss me and I miss them boy, cause me I drive all over the place and me dey even buck one. And since me I come up with one little idiot, why me I tell you? Tired in the shirt, me just come up here for all the rest.
Royce, because I know you're coming home hungry and tired, I made sure to have your soup ready and waiting for you.
What? The soup ready already? Wait, I pressure you pressure it. Smell good too. But me not really think me ready for no soup, cause me tired bad.
But why you know you have a gas problem, man? You better have a soup now.
Oh true, the gas might as well me taste some. Tastes good. Hey, you know every time I taste this thing I feel like I love you. I love you, man. I love you. Bust the gas, man.
Yes, love.
And what you put on this thing here?
What I put in here? Yam, tomato, sausage, curry, ketchup, tin mackerel, and you know, my special touch.
Well, your special touch a hold me, man. So wait, you not drink none?
No, you know I don't want any. I've already eaten and I don't want the baby to get too fat. As you know, it's almost time.
Then no too fast after we don't want a man precise, baby. Why? Anyway, a man for drink and left for later. So me I put on this in my later. Boy, sure, let me check it out, you know. Me did fool, you know, wanting to leave you when you can cook so good in both ways.
Yes, love, I know what? tomorrow I'm going to make sure that I cook you some more.
Why it sound like you're gonna kill me with a chassis now, eh? Hey, why, to tell you the truth, you know, I never know if was them type of girl.
Look, Roy, the saying goes, it takes a friend to soak a friend.
Why, love, I'm sorry, I don't know what really come over me them time, honestly.
Look, sweetheart, all of that is in the past. What we have to do now is think about you, me, the baby, and our future together.
Hey, talking about future then now. Will you love me as much in December as you did in, like, say, February?
Oh, yes, my dearest, because, you know, there are more days in December than there are in February.
Wow, 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 wow! Hey, we feel good enough. It's like how you said that now, love. We have like a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it? Tell me about it.
But I don't want to go tell you and go get excited and your heart go take you.
No, please, Roy, tell me I won't get excited. I promise.
You promise me?
Yes, Roy, I promise.
Promise?
Yes.
Shh, you won't. It's like a plan. This plan is to make you proud.
But darling, I am already proud of you.
Me no mean so it's to make you proud on your left hand. Okay. What I mean is, see, I want to marry to you, baby.
You mean this? I will be Mr. Sweetness?
Mr. Sweetness, darling.
Hey, oh, Lord. When I walk and cock off my finger them, and wind up my backside and pass the girl fear. Right, tell me if not much dead for heart failure.
But you're supposed to dead already.
I'm so happy.
all right. Calm down now. Calm in already yet. Anyway, with all of that, I have to go left you now, because time ago.
Are you leaving again and you just come?
I know that I want to leave, baby. It's just that I have to leave.
All right, let me walk into the door.
Sure, darling.
Bye, honey.
Bye, sweetheart.
Roy! Well, Gussie, you're great enough. You're really, really great. And to imagine we never had to live long to see them all. Oh, God. Right! Right! Let me call an ambulance. Ooh, ay, 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 ay. Hello? Hello? Yes. Could you please send an ambulance to 104 Norfolk Lane? Thank you. Why? Why? Let me scratch a note for Roy to let him know I'm going to the hospital. Why? 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 I'm going to pay that because later. Why? 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 Lad in the bedroom. Nurse in there. Why?
All right, mother. Might as well you have the baby here.
Why?
Porter?
Why?
A bucket, a blanket, and a pliers.
Oh, no.
Pliers, no hurry.
Pliers.
on, mother. Spread your legs.
Why? Why?
All right, mother.
Why? Why, nurse?
All right, mother. Just stop the cow balling in here, man. Don't throw up on me, you know. Come on.
Why?
Push now after.
Nah,
All right, mother. Breathe for me.
Nurse, I can't breathe.
Well, blow. Mother, what I mean is you're to inhale and exhale.
Why?
Mother, you're on house? Come on.
Nurse, me dead?
No, you're not dead yet. Come on, give me a healthy push now.
No, nurse, me can't push.
Try.
Why?
1,
One.
2, 3.
Hey!
That's it, mother. The head is out, but the shoulder is so broad. I'll have to use the pliers and chip off a piece.
Why? Why? Murder, nurse, never kill me.
All right, mother. Come on, give me another healthy push now.
Wait.
Ready?
Wait. Yes, nurse, I'm ready.
Steady?
Mm-hmm.
Go, mother.
Hey!
That's it. Mother, you have a healthy looking baby girl, you know, and the baby weighs 16.5 pounds. Porter.
Take your time, now, Mr. Potter.
You know, should ask the man to take him time. Listen now.
You not do it again.
That's how I listen, man. As soon as you get it. Right back, Paris, you know that.
Porter, take time with her.
Nurse,
I'm coming.
come now, nurse.
Wait, where the girl live? Kiss me neck. The girl got her picnic. Benji, come here, man. I feel it time now. Hey, hey.
So wait, nobody in there.
Only me and you.
What? So no can go on with that thing, man.
Benji, you sure you can do the work good?
Just fear, man. I'm 5 years now, me not shepherd goes to church, you know. So
Well-
we most can do the work.
Since it's up your short, how long we going to work up here?
Fear. Leave the man and our baby father alone, man. Sure.
Benji, I hear says your time sweetheart, you know.
My whole time.
But if you don't fix my business, I go and tell Flatter you see I work for the blue bag boy if they take away money.
Cool up here, man. It's not my whole time sweetheart, you know. I know her from she's small. When I used to work in a nightclub as a barmaid. And that's all before the spirit called me.
Ah, do master, look at no fits for me in here.
All right, I'm going to set you up. Go buy 2 white candle bring come.
Benji, you sure that is all you want?
And a pack of Templeton.
Good, I'm going to take the chain.
Yes. Because you know money crazy. Hey, what a be fat. But she think her fatness can't fool me. She think I go make Shepherd go to chastise me and run me out of church. Well, if I saw she think, she make a sad mistake. But she want me for work, who be after her. Kupa me don't even know voodoo. But, you see, when I done Spanish fly a clot, it's on to me. Benji, she gave
Benji, see,
Wait, you come back already?
mm-hmm.
So you're quick.
First drugstore me catch me by.
All right, I'm going to fix your business here.
Fixie, Benji, fixie.
Yeah, man. Take this. Rub your face, close the eye and call him name 3 times.
Roy Sweetness. Roy Sweetness. Roy Sweetness.
Shirley!
Benji, under the bed.
Shirley, love!
Aye, aye.
Where are you? Shirley! Wait, I want my Bununu's baby mother Shirley she there now. All wrapped up here, where are they? Where you do up here?
I come from my bag and left here this morning.
Take your bag and go on!
Move out of my way, Mogolo.
Costa! Oi! Jezebel, where part Shirley?
But see, Master, every time you last few girl, you ask me fear, me I share her with you.
So wait, you know they tell me one time say you're not the best friend. Where
When she go in hospital, guy, you pick anything else you
Run
want.
away!
You know, should I stay and go help her, Ravi?
That's why I can't bother you sometimes. So your face you have a boss.
You used to ride in night, though.
I'm not stop riding there. You know what? I'm not gonna stop us and argue with you. I'm gonna phone the hospital right now and find out about my Bununu's baby mother. So wait! Oi, you want to broke my back with your 10-ton bottom?
Come on.
You're a fool. You can have good man like Roy Sweetness and make him walk out of your life. You don't realize that your day is done. You're an idiot. Can you certainly no want? You know what? As a matter of fact, you're light out. The boy have to buy a camera for you. You're a fool. Hello. Good day. I'm just calling to find out about
Why
what...
you frightening, Master?
Shh, quiet guys. Yes, I was saying Miss Shirley Heartbeat. Where's the nurse? A what? A girl! Hey! Mirrors! We get a girl! Wait! Your day's done! You're mule! You can't breathe! Hello, nurse, nurse? Oh, you're still there. I'm sorry about that, it's a nurse. I just got carried away. Okay then. Catch you later. Bye. Oi, me get a girl. Hey, happy days are here again. We get the girl again. Good God.
Right. Stop it, man. Me know you don't mean it. Right, come sleep with me tonight and like how Shirley gonna have baby. Right, I forgive you for everything, can it's up your Shirley work while you're going on, so.
What coupon you two? Coupon you two. Both you want to come mixed with nice and decent people.
You mix already.
Listen, Roy Sweetness mix, but me no mingle. Me no get entangled with no farmer dirty bungle. You know you walked this a while ago. You never hear Shirley just have my baby. That means me I go married to her as soon as possible.
What? Married? That play with fire, you know, boy.
Make it burn me.
It's up your love.
Mm.
And as soon as you find out, you have to go come back to me.
That is when my breath leave my body. Anyhow, me not go stay here and argue with you. Me I left you now. And me I go down to the hospital go check my Bununu's daughter. And me don't like you take your backside out of my house.
Girl, I'm gonna check your jacket. You could have dead me now, live.
Jacket? Well, even if it's jacket, this one cut to fit. Alright, Sweetness, me name, you know. Me no fire blank. Don't make me come back up here and see you. The sight of you make me sick.
I know, you know, Kube, chimpanzee. You could have dead me now, live.
Oh, well, if you believe in life after death, Tanya.
Benji, him gone, come.
Me see a rat just shoot past me underneath the bed. He must have about 300 miles per hour. You see him a leave, and I a leave, and I think you better leave too.
Benji, where you want come back.
You know what the man say? Take your backside out of my house.
You take your mouth out of my business and go on and make sure there's something works.
So all that it must work, man. And if you make sure say it work, drink some of this and make you get the man quicker.
I tell you, sir.
Drink the thing, man. I'll make you get the man quicker. She done it. But me can't manage her. She gonna kill me with it. All right, here, Via.
Benji, don't leave me this way, Benji. Come back here.
I never have any intention. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm mingling.
Rub your flesh together, Benji.
I'm rubbing it.
Aye.
Let me in. Let me in. One of myself, I make me drown out the evil.
Benji, I feel the evil coming in, Benji.
Yeah.
Benji, it's slipping out. Put it back.
No, it's in there. It's in there. Ooh.
Benji, Benji, I
Ooh.
want that. A red
Ooh.
banana or a green banana.
No fear. No fear. It's me ackee in your soul, fish.
Aye.
Ooh.
Benji, Benji,
Fear.
Benji,
Fear.
Benji. Look
Fear.
at the purse. This is
Ooh.
$5. Take $40 and give me back the chain.
Yeah. Ooh. Fear.
Eh?
It's a wide and deep.
Ah.
I feel like I would have swim in it.
Aye.
Ooh.
Ah.
Fear.
Eh?
Fear coming.
Don't come here, Benji. Wait.
Fear. Fear.
Eh.
Me come. Yeah. I'll come today. It's one of my church sister. So you can come check me anytime. All right, dear.
Wait. How me feel, so? How want me there? How want to me? Oh, I just remember now. Rice sweetness. You know what? I think I better leave this place here, you know, and come check him when I cool off. But all I know, him could have fly high or fly low. Me must get him rice sweetness for myself.
Oh, it is so good to be home from the hospital. Smile for mommy. Oh, look at that. She's a spitting image of her daddy. Who could that be, man? Just as I return. I'm coming. Who is it?
Visitors.
Oh, good morning, Sergeant.
Good morning, Miss Shirley.
Constable,
Morning, Miss Shirley. Thank you.
is anything wrong?
Oh, nothing is wrong, Miss Shirley. No, man. Me and Constable Wanga got us just on patrol through the area, you know? And I said to him, you know, Wanga, I hear that Miss Shirley have baby, you know? So we just dropped by to look for you and the baby.
Oh, gentlemen, in that case, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sergeant,
Eh?
make your lie so. Now you said, if you came up here, might raise a drink. And him said, fear tell him that Marshall grandfather kill a big cold ghost for the wedding. And if you not invite him, you're going to raise hell. I can't resign.
Are you going to allow that to make me resign, Constable?
It's not really that, Miss Shirley.
Then what is it?
I can't get any promotion, Mom.
How long now since you're in the force?
Long time, Shirley. Long time. 12 years, hard labor.
Wanga, good. Stop it blasting, saluting, no man. Go sit down. Sit down. Sit down. That is why you can't get no promotion. You salute too damn much. I don't want you to resign, man. They might give me a new man to work with one girl.
Oh, and he might carry down a tail soon.
No, man. Nothing like that. But you see, me and you work so long together. You know that I get feel like you, man.
Like me?
Yeah, man.
Why people won't like that if you like me? You know it's big like.
Now look here, Wanga. Don't be rude. But come to think of it, you know. All I have to do is just like your wifey too.
I'm not gonna resign. I'm not gonna resign.
All right.
I'm not gonna resign.
All right.
I'm not gonna resign.
All right.
I'm not gonna resign.
All right. Make I tell you what I mean, man.
Talk what I mean.
All right, come on. I'm going
Talk
to
what I mean.
I'm going to tell you what I mean.
Talk what I mean, man.
All right, come on.
Talk what I mean, man.
All right, come
Talk what I mean, man.
Shut up and sit.
Shut up and sit.
Shut. Now look here, man. Make I explain, sir. I like you, right?
Right.
You like wifey, right?
Them no most like wifey. Them a wife.
Right. And wifey love me and you, right?
Yeah, right. Sarge,
Yes?
what you say what?
Look here, man. I said wifey love me and you. Nothing wrong with that.
I'm on your ass, man. That can't work, man. Sarge, that can't work.
All right, take it easy.
Inspector, no, Inspector, that can't work.
All right, do a pass the place.
That can't work,
All
man.
right.
That can't work, man.
I
That
said,
can't work.
Wanga, shut up. Stop it. Stop it, man. One thing. Eh? Why you can't learn to be a Oh.
Stop quarreling, come and have a look at my beautiful baby.
Oh.
Come on, no go to one, man.
Wanga. Oh, my. Oh, Lord. What a cute little creature.
Sarge,
Eh?
what a way the baby for your brother Benji.
Union brother Benji.
You don't know, Sarge. Me surely, I'm thirsty. Make your ice a glass water, no?
Brother Benji.
Sarge,
Eh?
you don't know brother Benji, Sarge. Brother Benji come from country.
Mind yourself, you know.
No, Benji a country bumpkin.
Wanga, you must be careful what you're saying. Warm to you, man. Shit. What? You know what I'm saying, sir? Hey, I only hope you don't carry no source of water come out here still, you know.
Then what you want, Sarge? Lemonade?
What? Lemonade? Look here, Wanga, I want gas in my engine, man. High octane.
Sarge, me want it to Sarge. For the food, me want it, Sarge.
All right.
Me hungry, no, Sarge.
Hey. All right. Oh, thank you, Miss Shirley. Hey, Shirley, you don't have anything little stronger than this, man.
Like what, Sergeant? Would you like some vinegar?
Vinegar, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Vinegar, what?
But
You
the
don't want
fact
to be a
that
vinegar,
vinegar.
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 Oh, vinegar.
Just blasted. Vinegar.
I'm sorry, I just get it. You guys want a drink?
Right.
Hey.
You're smart.
Well, me the head on.
Hey, you see that damn woman, man? From me coming here, my spirit just don't take her in, man. That is a damn mean woman, you know. Hey, Wanga, you ever yourself ever done a station, eh? And get a call, say them a tear down her house, even shoot after her, me? I go round the back, go drop a Jeep engine, and pull up the whole Jeep, eh? Me? I would go play draft, Moody and Domino, and let me get 6 love. Me now come up here, man.
Sarge, me no like her, Sarge.
No.
I bet you should have food on there and I won't give you none.
They Wanga, through that yam from her, eh?
Oh.
Look how she keep the place dirty.
Oh, me, Sarge.
Eh.
Me only eat a drink from her. But, Sarge,
Eh?
if you give me, I take it.
Gentlemen, I just remember, Roy has some rum around there. You want me to get it for you?
Rum?
White overproof rum.
You sure you're rum?
Yes, let me go for
Ah,
it.
yes. Hey, Wanga, Mr. From step through this door, my spirit, just take the woman, you know, man.
Sarge, Jesus, boy. Sarge, me like her, Sarge.
Oh, yes, man, yes.
She's a nice lady.
Yes.
She's decent. Hey,
Yes.
you don't hear what she said when we came in here?
What?
She said, Wanga God, you're welcome, please.
Yeah,
She
man.
like me, man. She
Lovely,
like me,
man.
man.
Oh, Thank you, Miss Shirley.
Thank you,
Oh,
Miss Shirley.
Miss Shirley.
Yes, Sergeant.
May your store basket never empty, ma'am. And may the hinges of your generosity never rusty.
My one to Sarge. My one to.
Yeah, man. Nice lady, you know, man.
Me like her, she like me, man.
I tell you, man. That after the dopey them.
We are the Sarge.
Me said that after the dopey them, what do you?
Yeah, waste it, man.
Wanga good. Enough in this for me and you, you know, man.
You could have given me that, man.
All right, take it easy. Take it easy, man. Take it easy, man.
You could give me that Sarge, man.
What are you? This after the Sarge.
Yes, that after the Sarge one.
Oh, yes? Cheers.
Cheers and bench.
Aye. Hey, Wanga, it's wrong, man.
I Sarge,
Eh?
it burn me throat, Sarge.
Oh, yes, man. So tell me something. You know what on then?
Yes, Sarge. You want some, Sarge?
Oh, you want a talk?
Yes, Sarge. You want a cat and some?
All right. All right. All right, Wanga.
Cheers. Cheers, Sarge.
Cheers your backside. Let go. Cheers. Cheers, what? Wang, you can't wait, sir. Wanga, you're so damn crave, man.
I me no want that, man.
Disappear.
Me no want that Sarge, man.
Enough from this, take it, man. Now look here, Wanga, go. These are constable. You must drink according to your rank.
How about the Sarge?
That is rum, that I feel.
Give me this, man.
Hey! Let go of the rum, you damn craven bitch.
Hey, where you at?
Hey, wait. Oh, we had to push the sword.
Hey,
We had to boy, push the sword.
Sarge, I fight me for the rum.
Rum. What we just in a rum? What kind of rum?
See,
It's not really rum, you know, Mr. Roy.
Then it's what?
Sarge wants all of everything.
Like what?
He want all of the promotion. He want all of the food. I think like food. Him the right food. And he want all of the big body woman. And I tell me to keep this small body one day.
shut up! I said shut up! Hey, you big head boy!
Are you not talking now?
Come here!
Eh?
I call you.
Eh?
I want you, sir.
Eh?
Me say come over here, man.
Sarge, you call me, but you don't want me?
Me say put your backside over here.
Sarge, come for me, no, Sarge. Me afraid to me one come.
All right? Did you make it come quicker? Keep still. Stay still. Mr. Don't move. Wait. Look here, man. You think me's a nice man for your ramp with? Eh? Tell me something. How dare you defy me in front of people? Eh? You know something? You over there bar like an idiot. When I done with you, see, you know what I'm going to do to you? I'm going to discombobulate you. You hear me? You know something? Go in my Jeep and watch me and you ever go down a station. Move it! Move it! Hey, Mr. Roy, I will see you here, sir.
All right, take it easy, sir.
Miss Shirley, I'm very sorry here, ma'am. Very sorry.
Sergeant, can you do me a favor, please?
Oh, I would do anything for you, Miss Shirley. You want me shooting?
No, Sergeant.
What?
All I want you to do for me, just take it easy with him for me. Just ease him up, please, Sergeant.
Take it easy for me, Rum. Now look here, Miss Shirley. You know, say it's 40, 17 years I in this force, eh? And a little hurry come up, Bluefoot, blue bag boy, go and fight me for my rum, eh? My R-O-M-E rum. Now look here, man. Look here. Take me serious. If I did go up on my yard and catch that boy with my wife, I wouldn't feel it so. No. But I think like my rum, sweet rum, eh? And you're going to tell me to take it easy with him? All right. I'll go and take it easy with him. I'll go and ease him up.
I know I could depend on you, Sergeant. Thank you very much.
I'll go and ease him up with this. Ease him up with this. Ease him up with the buckle, the button, and give him a Mike Tyson special. You know something? You know something? You will see it on the radio and hear it in the newspaper when I done it in box. Me? I'm going to dismantle him. I'm going to multiply him heart, cancel him liver, and divide him lungs.
Hey, them two policemen, they never list. Hey, can you imagine something, love? If the constable and the sergeant's a fool, check the soup.
Imagine.
Hey, by the way, I come down to the hospital to pick you up, but I come in here say you're gone already.
Yes, you don't know, but I got a ride home.
Ride? Then I will get a ride now.
Chuma, you're too jealous. Never mind that.
Mind them only for ride where I get since of late, you know.
Alright.
Anyhow, how you doing?
I'm fine, you know.
And the baby?
Oh, she is procrastinating.
Progress the water?
I said the baby's procrastinating, right? Don't you know what it means?
Well, whatsoever that means, it sounds good.
And you guess what? It's time for you to guess. Well, I have a little surprise for you.
What is it? I can't wait to hear it, darling.
Well, you see, on my way home,
Uh-huh.
I bought you something.
Now I can guess. You bought me some chains,
No, darling, you have enough of that.
rings,
No, not the same.
chocolate.
No, well, let me tell you what it is. Well, you see, Roy, when I was coming home, you see, I was passing by this boutique. And man, I looked inside, and I saw this lovely Miami Vice shorts. Sweetheart, I just pictured you in it. And I just said, wow, that is a shorts for Roy. Darling, I couldn't resist it. I bought it for you.
Hold on a little. You mean to say you really buy one shorts to me?
Yes, love, I couldn't pass it.
Then I will report it there.
It's inside in the bed. Go in there, fit it on, and come out here. Let me see a sexy, hairy body.
Hey, she knows that me always look good in my shorts, you know? My love,
Yes?
what a way the baby brown like me. By the way, you got the girl to come over and look after her.
Yes, you know.
What's her name?
Priscilla.
Priscilla. Then she look as nice as our name sound.
I don't know, you know, I haven't even seen the girl yet.
Wait, my love,
Yes?
it's me you buy the shorts for to yourself.
Oh, darling, I bought it for you.
You mean you really buy the shorts for me?
Yes, love, it is a gift straight from my heart.
I give straight from where?
From the bottom of my heart, Roy.
But this gift look like it a come straight from the bottom of somewhere else. Oh, so what me for do now? Beard, put it on and go lie down sleep.
No, Roy, I want you to put it on and come out here. Let me see a sexy hunk of a body.
Come out, report.
In the living room,
You know what?
in the shops.
But Shirley, you're mad.
Please, Roy.
All right then, see me here.
Roy. Roy, I don't want to see one foot. I want to see all of you.
They all I mean are this.
In the shorts, Roy.
Well, Shirley,
Yes?
ready or not, here Roy's sweetness comes.
Oh, what a beautiful morning! Oh, what a beautiful
manners. How are you name?
Priscilla.
And when you come about here?
Well, we need to come yesterday, but the bus never come and through that. No, yes.
Go on the back.
Miss Shirley, where you get that from?
Sergeant, put him to your leg.
I don't know, you know, I just see the thing swell up big and turn out in a sore.
Oh dear, come and sit down and rest it.
Yes, ma'am.
Lord have mercy, take that. Not you. By the way, Sergeant,
Eh?
what is she doing here?
Oh, she said she come to wish you good luck on your wedding day, ma'am.
Wish me good luck?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I don't need it, not from you.
You Golan, you certainly look in an accident. But what are the fault if that the bicycle and this a trailer crash? Flat tire.
What?
You know, see on the way coming up, me I smell the foot, they never know it was so bad. It's what you in the big foot.
You notice that every time I talk, you smell it stronger? Damn pasty. Don't ask me nothing about my foot neither. I don't know how to do it. I just see the thing swell up big like my button. You're too damn fast. By the way, where you follow me all go through the place, right? Don't I hear say you have a new man now?
Which new man you know me have?
I hear say me Benji, you see? But I just threw my foot sick because I don't reach a yard yet. Oh.
Reach my yard, where that come from?
Now where me always come from?
Well, it's done no more no less.
But it must done by this.
Priscilla? Priscilla? Your job for the last time is to answer the door.
Then said you, Pammy. Is what you want.
Not you. Sarge!
What?
I look for your boat and I couldn't find you. I look uptown, downtown, 10town, Westtown, 20town, and the town. I say, I start. The last day I look at Kingston town.
All right.
And then I remember say, today is Miss Shirley wedding day.
Oh, yes, man. The big day.
And all the free food and free room over there.
Yes.
So he must there.
Hey, you see you one about? You see how my foot never sick? How that give a kick in your big yabba mouth, you see boy?
Who kick in the mouth here?
Him hard up my foot. Hey boy.
What do you put, Sarge?
Then give big foot.
Shut off your blasted tape recorder. I don't know what my foot and the doctor don't know either. You're too damn fast.
Sarge,
I was waiting and to come follow me to our next doctor here, sir.
Sarge,
What?
you better take some of the money I've been come.
Oh.
I'm going to look up for that thinking foot there. But before you done the money, I want to raise a pay.
Come, give me.
We have to stand about. I want $10 back out of that too.
What? Wait, one ago. It looked like you drop and lick your head when you was a baby. Eh? We are talking about raise a pay, man. Eh? Look, you come work late every day, right? Right?
Right!
You don't work on Saturdays and Sundays because the bank closed, right?
Right!
Every time I miss you, you down a big bottle ice bar, sit down on stool and drink rum and feel up our butt, right?
Right!
As little rain just drizzle so, you lock down in a house with wife, you say you're a healer in the barnyard, right?
Right!
So what I got? It looked to me like you don't do no work at all, right?
Right!
So tell me something. How you expect to get raised up here when you don't do no work at all, eh? Damn fool! Give me this and goodbye, right?
Hey, come back here, man. Talking about money is that I follow you up for. I want some money for buy a couple French cuts.
A couple French what?
French cuts.
Then where you are going to wear that?
Where them pay ya?
And you shape so bad? Now you look here, fear. What you take me for? Eh? A blasted little Babylon count out? Eh? Well, it now go working out. What to that new man I hear say you are? you could have pride. Eh? Now make I give you a little piece of advice, you see? You see them big bingo bags there where you always wear? Eh? Just turn them round and you get French cut. Miss Shirley!
Yes, Sergeant?
Miss Shirley! Look, I have to leave here now. I'm going to check a doctor here, ma'am, so I will see you later at the wedding.
Okay, make me busy on the back here.
I would imagine so.
Me not talk for you till me get the money there, you know. Me not talk.
Well, me no want a king fly follow back on me.
Priscilla? Yes! Why the hell you don't want to answer the door, girl?
We don't come out for me. You don't have to take set for me.
Is Shirley here?
Yes, Priscilla. Oh, Shepherd, I see you from the place, man.
After all the circumstances, is everything going according to plans?
Oh, yes, Shepherd.
This is the greatest work. And I'm proud. So I guess tonight we did up with them.
You know, Shepherd, even though you're not celebrate friend, you know, I have bad for you.
What kind of news?
Then I know you're yes, I remember. No.
My
Yes.
nobody can't have nobody.
So you think?
We don't tell which one. Was always give me chop.
And Sergeant, you must have swear for the city. Just doctor.
Deal with him.
Deal with him.
Anyway, see? I heard you say you all
Right.
What happened to the money?
Let me tell you something. I planned $2,000. Right now, I don't have enough.
Then I kind of money that. You better don't blame me if and Shirley. I live the doctor and I come back to try.
Congratulations, oh my God. That's nice. Congratulations, man.
Miss Shirley, you just start thinking, whoop! It's not me now. It's to move full. I think about it to our panic. I feel hungry. You know the guy, ma'am.
Go in the kitchen. Help yourself to anything.
Thanks.
Money, man.
Watch ya! Them bring all them F-37 Magnum. Oh, I might gun this now. You know, long one gun. Miss Shirley, I send them to kill you know. Oh, Miss Shirley, I won't kill them. Yes. Oh, no, here, no guys can leave here tonight. No that here, no guys prison. No, I'm a mark to this. Oh, and Satan and the devil with afternoon. Losing no. A criminal. Come here. Shut up! I'm working to. TV.
She's coming in. Imagine what what is that? Even I need him most.
No, ride me up.
Beep 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 beep.
Them say face send them come up here. You really think that girl fear to do that go that far?
Yes. While you were at her house making love, she had a gunman up here trying to kill me. God, how many times have I told you about this con of a jealous woman?
All right, no love. Calm down. Cause fear not really jealous, you know. I just actually half illiterate. And the only reason why I need to go down our house today is to make sure know say everything done between me and she. You don't understand, no, baby. But me get to find out say the girl fear. I try to walk up upon me forget me. But I pity she don't know say them things they can't catch me, man. Yeah, well, love. Me I will get married to you today. And me no want fear nor no other woman. Is who that?
Police officer.
Oh, police! Somebody never says a long time. Come in, man. How is it?
Who is it, Roy?
Superintendent Fat Pum.
And me, Shirley, and me being soap. I'm shooting a big bad boy in the dog.
Where's the dog?
Oh, see me here, man, I'm me.
Corporal Wanga got told me of an incident here today and I come over to investigate the matter.
Oh, Superintendent. Corporal Wanga was most wonderful. He was supreme. So, he was excellent. He actually saved my life.
So, you should be there here. A whole of robbers and criminal and thief and murderer and raper come up and pour me Shirley soap and say, I'm chocolate,
Corporal, I get the kids.
Yes, soap. But one more thing, soap. The men travel on foot in a red motor car.
Michelle, I understand you're getting married today, so it won't take up much of your time.
Oh, yes, you bring to me.
Hey, on now see ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A heavy man, a heavy. Lord.
Wait, Wanga, what wrong with you?
The boy flat tire have 3 stripes, right?
Right?
And need the man have 5.
Mm-hmm.
Against the who can call food full and saying go doing business again.
I have business, Corporal.
You don't know, soup, you don't know.
What I got? Damn cream thieving little maga ugly bitch. You left me down at Dr. Thursday just to come back up for the damn free food, eh?
Soup there, you know, soup there.
So when the hell you are telling me about soup? First you look hungry, eh?
You the soup there, man.
So when you look at, go on me close by the people in my house here, sir. We are talking about soup first, eh?
Soup there.
What I got your backside, man? You see me walk around the place with my gut in my hand like you, eh? Don't tell me about the soup, sir. To hell with you on the plastic, dirty, stinking, smell bad, moldy, sour soup. Sorry, soup. I didn't see your soup. Good morning, soup.
Hey, in full apart.
Morning, Sarge. How was your leg today?
I don't know, soup. I just coming from a doctor and he say I must come back tomorrow, soup. See there.
Move it for me. Michelle, I have to get back to the station. You can come down in the morning and give a statement. Okay, sir.
Be yourself.
And soup, Miss Shirley and I will be looking forward to see you at our wedding. Just try to be there, soup.
I try to
Be
there.
yourself. Be yourself, man.
Wanga, what is wrong with you two?
Soup. That big nose boy will behave, soup.
You know something? I'll deal with you two at the station. Especially you.
Yes, sir.
Damn troublemaker.
Yes, you thank.
Bye.
Bye-bye, soup. Doctor, soup. Hello, soup. Well, now that everybody gone, I go and sprinkle this place with some black puss blood. Too damn fast.
Science! Science again, science again. Science again, science again, science again. Science again. Them is me enemy, and I go like my friend. But you never seem to me can't work again. I tell it to me enemy, I tell it to me friend. Oh, can I put that science again? Science again, science again. Science again, science again, science again.
Hey, put on the road, put on the road. Where's the cream? Them the people them present now.
Bless you, my children. Bless you, brother.
Oh, Reverend,
Yes,
bless my food.
my holy brother.
Eh,
That food needs more than just a blessing.
what means?
It needs some disinfectant.
beloved, as we all gather here to witness this holy matrimony, if there's anyone here who believes that these two should not be joined by their own deeds, well, speak now or forever shut up.
But I wouldn't get that the hungry goat pastor from.
Now, listen to me, you little dibby mother girl. Excuse me, dear Mr. Sweetness, like I trace the girl. In the name of the Holy Father, me no kin teeth. Fresh. Well, I've known Miss Shirley here for a number of years. She has been a dear friend to me, and with that, the wedding must go on. Roy Sweetness, do you take Miss Shirley Heartbeat here to be your own beef, to give all your money, love and honey, and dance by the light of the moon? Say, I do.
I do.
Good. And Shirley Heartbeat, do you take...
I do.
My, you're so anxious. Okay, pass me the ring.
Oh, the ring.
Yes. My, it's a beautiful ring you have here. Oh, it fits now. Okay, well, you've always been kissing, so kiss now, legally.
All right, you don't know no man a food time now. From I want to come in this place, a pure foolishness I hear. I hear about kissing time. I hear about dancing time. And all kind of waste of time. Look here, man. Up to now, I don't hear about the most important time. The F-U-D-E food time. Wow.
Right, he has a point, you know, he has a point.
Priscilla. Start serving the curry goat to the guests.
The curry goat, sir.
Yes.
They go never get the curry at all, you know, sir. Because by the time we catch the goat, and the goat goes to the knife now, me and he run, see the rope, yes, sir.
Hey, I soon strangle you. Where you talk about? Tell the goat get you.
Gone.
What?
No, the goat never get curry. After. If I lick you, you go ball.
All right, Wanga. Now look here, girl. I have a feeling there's a thief like
There's a
goat.
thief now.
Shut up! It's what kind of goat?
He's a bull.
Bull? Wanga goat. Lock up this girl and charge her for gross malicious negligence of a ram goat. All right. Now look here, girl. You have 5 seconds to find that goat. 5, 1, 2, 3, 5. And if you don't find him in that time, I'm going to use that same rope and hang you with it. Find the goat. Hey, you see you, man? You see you? You're a wicked brother, you know, you.
Oh, me?
No, not you, India. Not you. You right, Felix. You know how much good I do for you, boy. Eh? I'll tell the girl fear for your hand so you could have get from her to Shirley. Yes, that's true. I saw you go. Right? And look where you do now. Eh? Make up with the servant girl and hide the coat. Hey, you see me now? My granny always tell me one thing. She said no empty bag can't stand up. Right? So you know what? I go and demonstrate. No food, no dance. None of we not dancing today. See if you're waiting on flap.
Well, all right, you know for dance.
You were meant for me, and I was meant for you. You were meant for me, and I was meant for you. Take this ring that I give you This must be true love. This must be true love. You were meant for me, and I was meant for you.
Well, Shirley, what gonna you get the man? Want my money? Every cent I hit.
Who are you?
Top ramper, give me money.
Turn around, let me see if I know you.
Because if I give me money, I don't get my cross.
Listen to me, sir, whoever you may be. I don't think I know you, you know. So please leave my house before my husband come back here and find you.
So you're serious?
I say you have to leave my house.
And we're sure enough to mess with me and my money.
I want that.
Right, to tell you the truth, I don't know, you know. The man just barge in here and barge out. First, I beholding the man from creation.
Then how him come inside here?
He was looking for 106 Norfolk Lane.
106. Wait, but not the girl fi address that.
Yes, you know.
I wonder that bit smell so. Hey, anyway, today you're a big day, man. You get the man, you get the ring, and you gotta get the cake.
What do you mean, I will get the cake?
And when I try for set, you say me left here now for go buy the cake. By the time I'm busy, I park up in the parking lot across the road. The sign over there on the place of the shop that say come in, we're open. By the time I done park and reach over there, the boy inside turn on the sign say must about something about sorry we lock. So? Me never get through. But me never want to disappoint you. So when me do know, me stop down the shop and I raise 2 cake.
Right. What do you expect me to do with those?
What you mean? None of them?
But where you promise everybody at work a slice of cake, you know?
What you say?
I promise everybody at work a slice of cake and you bring bulla. You expect me to take bulla and give to my friends?
No, that's why me only buy 2. 1 for me and 1 for you.
So where does that leave me?
What about this? You see if you turn up yourself.
I don't believe all this is happening to me in one day.
All right. Nobody do whole heap argument. The most me suggest now, I better we just dance the night away, baby.
Right. Is it before?
Yes, darling.
Let me tell you what is on my mind.
Go ahead, honey. I can't wait.
Well, you see, now that I am Mistress Sweetness,
Mr. Sweetness, darling.
everything that you have now belongs to me.
I'll give you the world, baby.
Oh, so tomorrow when you go to work, you are going to go by the bank and transfer your bank account into my name. And you are going to be putting my name to collect your paycheck.
You done?
For the time being.
Well, make me start now. You said me left you for do the whole of that. Now go see to it now that them start to send the light bill in your name. The water bill are going to come up here now in your name. The telephone bill in your name. And me just put the 7.5 starving hungry belly pick when me have out there in your name.
Look, Roy, that can't work, you know. That can never work. Not as long as I'm Mistress Sweetness, it can't work.
But them things that belongs to me too.
Sweetheart, let's dance now.
That's what me did suggest.
Listen to me, my holy brother. Remember the 10 commandments to keep it holy. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not steal. And he that liveth by the gun shall die by the gun. Ashkalabashunda.
Yes, man, yes, I hear you, see? But he who live by thief shall die by thief. Yeah? I think woman came, I'm going to lock up on Charlie for committing adultery. Miss Shirley, she think it
No,
eh?
no, not now.
And the sergeant see me around, and I bought a shot of my mate, so...
Not no wonder, God. Not no wonder, man. Wanga.